Okay, C-Dub fans, thank you for coming to watch this video. It's a short video and just a channel update. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I actually had a video ready to release, and then the people that sent me the product said, oh, it's not actually available yet. And I'm like, so you want me to put out a video that people don't even know exists and they're not even searching for it? But that's the sort of things you got to put up with when you're a small YouTuber. Anyway, exciting thing is you can see down here, we passed over 5,000 subs. It was a long journey for CW Tech or C-Dubs Media, but we got there. We got to 5,000. I'm really grateful. And I also did a bit of a giveaway on some smart home gear recently, and there was 3 winners on that, and that was Michael, Cassandra, and Joe. All won like a bulb or a smart plug or something. They should have them by now. Hopefully they can enjoy them, and thank you guys for supporting the channel. And I will be doing that as well, a bit more of. Releasing a video, maybe with a giveaway in it, but I don't want to put it in the subject because then I get fake subscribers who are just there for the giveaway and then they drop off later on. So it's going to be more like the people who truly watch my videos, maybe we'll have a chance of winning something. And that's important for me to give back. So thank you. You might have also noticed a little change in the channel name. It was CW Tech, it's now C-Dubs Media. It's C-Dubs Media across everything except my website, which I'm going to link to here. The website's still cwtech.com, but I'm looking at changing that. I just want to make sure I've got all that right before I do it. But everything else, we're now C-Dubs Media, because I think I don't just do tech. I do a lot of like media stuff. I write articles and stuff as well. So it just sort of seems to go well together. And we're actually doing some small commercial projects now as well, which is great fun, really enjoyable. And this has been a bit of a goal of mine, is to actually start getting some money back instead of the teeny weeny pennies that YouTube gives me, which I'm grateful for. But hey, another thing, look, the background of the studio is black again. Moved into a new place and it was white and cream and yucky. This definitely looks better. I think it looks way better. Yeah, so I've got some videos ready to drop next weekend. I'm reviewing the Huawei Band 6, I'm reviewing a Fuji camera, another Oppo device. I've got some other stuff in the pipeline coming through. Security cameras and headphones and all sorts of stuff. So thank you everyone. 5,000 subs, channel name change. Really digging all your support and all your love. I really appreciate it. Thank you everyone. And I will catch you all in the next video. Chuck ya! Subscribe, like, share, comment, shout out, shout out, shout out. You know how it goes, everyone. Get into it. Thank you.